If you're an aviation fan, then you need to hear about China's latest leap in stealth technology. The J-35A is making waves, and for good reason. Let's break down what this means. Developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, the J-35A is China's new fifth-generation stealth fighter. Designed to rival the US F-35, it features advanced radar-absorbent materials, internal weapons bays, and a low observable shape. The J-35A is powered by twin WS-21 engines, boosting its thrust and efficiency, key for supercruise and extended missions. Unlike its carrier-based sibling, the J-35A is optimized for land operations, giving China more flexibility in regional defense. Strategically, this signals China's push for a high-tech, high-low fighter mix, much like the US approach. Its impact will depend on pilot training, maintenance, and how well it integrates with other systems. For now, the world is watching closely as the J-35A takes flight.